G'day guys, my name's Nick and this is my channel Low Range Nick, where I do videos about four-wheel driving, accessory fitting and maintenance for your four-wheel drive vehicle. So in today's video I get to try out the new HIKEIT XS throttle controller. So this is the brand new throttle controller from HIKEIT with some really new cool features and a brand new design. So the HIKEIT XS is a brand new design and it's completely different to any other throttle controller on the market. So this completely sets it apart from any of its competitors. So the brand new features of the dial mode selector, you've got the dimming backlight, you have those shortcut buttons and heaps of other great features that are included in this throttle controller. So first of all, I'll do an unboxing for you guys and show you exactly what you get in the kit. So this is all the bits and pieces included in the HIKEIT XS throttle controller kit. So what we have is the main control unit. So this is the unit that we mount on the dash. We can control all of our settings and bits and pieces from there. This is the patch lead, which we plug into our accelerator pedal plug. So this goes onto the accelerator pedal. Our factory plug goes onto this end, and then the small white plug just gets run up to the throttle controller unit where we can control everything from. So we also get a in-depth throttle controller manual here, which goes through all the settings and the details about the unit. A couple of zip ties. We've got some 3M tape for mounting the little bracket or little unit to the dash, so we can mount this inside the vehicle. So you can also put some little screws in here if you want to hard mount it. It's completely up to you. And then this quick set of instructions is great. You can quickly just go through the set of instructions and have this throttle controller installed in under 5 minutes. So now I've unboxed the HIKEIT XS, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install it to your vehicle. So now we're ready to install the throttle controller to the vehicle. So what we need to do is turn the ignition off, wait for 10 minutes, stretch out the cabling, locate the accelerator pedal plug in the vehicle, connect the patch lead, and then connect the unit to the patch lead. We need to route the cabling and then mount the unit somewhere in the vehicle. So let's go. So I did decide to mount the unit down here because I have quite a few other accessories in the vehicle. So I've got my UHF, my phone mount and heaps of switches on either side of the dash, which I use quite regularly. So this was actually the best spot for me to mount the unit, so I could easily access it and also see the settings. But at the end of the day, guys, it's completely up to you where you want to mount the unit. So another great thing about the HIKEIT XS is that it has a lifetime warranty and it also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So right here on the back of the packaging, there's a really good diagram of exactly how the throttle controller manipulates the throttle input. So you can see here the standard throttle line, and these are some of the economy settings and these are some of the power settings. So I'll go through them all now and show you guys exactly how to use it. So the brand new HIKEIT XS is a completely new design, so you can see that it looks nothing like any other throttle controller on the market. So what this means with the brand new design is that it is easier than ever to select the modes that you want and completely customize the throttle output that you want to achieve. So to go through the different modes on the HIKEIT XS, you just need to turn this dial. So you can see when I turn the dial, it selects that mode. When we're in the mode that we want, we can also fine tune the throttle output by adjusting the level here. So 10 is the most aggressive and back to 1, which is the least aggressive. So we can completely fine tune the throttle output that we want to achieve by going through these settings and finding what works best. You can also just leave it in automatic mode, which means that the throttle controller will automatically work out what throttle output you want and it will achieve that for you. So when you're in any mode, you can also use these quick buttons here. So you can go into launch, you can go into valet mode, or you can go into anti-slip mode here. So when you're in these modes, they can also do a couple of pretty cool things, which I'll go through now. So the valet mode is the perfect mode to use if you are parking your car in a car park or in a garage and you want that really reduced throttle output. The anti-slip mode is perfect if you are driving in rain or snow, so it's a reduced throttle output, but it's perfect for those conditions. So also the launch mode, so launch or overtake is a super boosted throttle output when you need heaps of power and heaps of torque to get past someone really quick. So let's go for a little drive now and see how the vehicle performs with the HIKEIT XS. So I'll just put the throttle controller in Cruise 6, or the comfort mode, and we'll see how it feels. Oh, geez, you can already feel the difference there straight away. So it's amazing when you drive the car standard and then you put a throttle controller on it. It completely changes how the vehicle drives and how that throttle pedal reacts to your input. So even with that on Cruise 6, the throttle boost is enough to make it, you know, really nice to drive and just give you that little bit more responsiveness that you want from the throttle. So now I'm going to just put it into launch mode. Holy crap. Better turn it off launch mode. So that's pretty rapid when you hit launch. So having a throttle controller really changes the driving experience in your vehicle, because it takes your vehicle from this, you know, sluggish, laggy car to something that actually jumps off the line and is ready to go when you put your foot down. So I'm just going to have a little bit more of a play around with the throttle controller, guys, and get all those settings exactly how I like them. And other than that, that's how easy it is to install a throttle controller to your vehicle. So in under 5 minutes you can install the throttle controller and you can boost that throttle pedal signal, which makes it less laggy, makes it take off a lot better, and you've also got that versatility of heaps of different modes and settings to play with. So it's something to muck around with in your car, so how good's that? So there you go, guys, that's exactly how easy it is to install a throttle controller to your vehicle. So if you are looking at getting a throttle controller, I would definitely recommend the HIKEIT XS. So I'll drop down in the description and the comments below a link to the HIKEIT website and also a discount code where you can save yourself a bit of money. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more full driving, accessory fitting and maintenance videos. Cheers, guys.